right for play only their culture. Just as that DJ began talk. Just as that DJ began tell we, Nigeria DJ be tell we clear say they no fit play Cameroon music for Nigeria because no be na their culture. He was very right. The DJ be get all right. Because you know fit force person for play a culture for your own country. That is truth. But now because we Cameroonians them who dull. Now make I explain for una. Number one. When I get for understand say music, it dey like lover. It dey like when you fall in love with some girl or some boy. Music act. We dey use music because they're number one and are the most popular. Music dey like when you fall in love with some boy. Or when you not even talk say, even fall in love self. When you admire some girl, or some girl admire some boy. At first hand, maybe you not be interested or some kind of thing. But you keep the see that boy. You keep the see that boy. That boy keep the talk to you. That boy they talk for you all time. He they talk for you all time. Trust me. Someday go day where you'll find interest for that boy. You want pass so you see na that boy. And he talk for you very quietly. Oh Esther, how are you today? Fine. You don't get you interest, oh, but you keep the seeing that boy. You keep the see that boy all time. Trust me, someday day where you go find interest for that boy. And the day where you just get interest for that boy, so bam! They don't take you. The day you just show only 1% interest for that boy, so bam! He don't already capture you and all that. The next thing where you want to hear them, una do restart embrace, una the kiss. The next thing, una dey on top bed. You want before you want realize your sense, you do on top bed naked with ye. That's so music day. As una day for you, so plenty music day way. From the first day where you hear that music, you don't be find interest for that music. But as you keep the hear that music, you keep the hearer. Before you know it, you start repeating. Before you know it, you start to repeat them. Before you know it, you do wash your clothes, you do repeat that music. But at first, you don't be get interest. Na so music day. Na so entertainment day. So the reason now, our own don't already die. Our people don't already lost taste for music. When I forget about these people, they talk say, oh, will you control people to be playing YouTube? Will you control people to be playing music in their houses? Let me explain to you, please. Take your time and listen very well. Because you people don't just have the knowledge about it, how it goes. Now, 80% local content. How it work? 80% local content. That means they restrict radio station. Number one, radio station, all music where they play for radio. 80% na local content. All music where they pass for television. 80% na local content. All film, all comedy, all everything, snack bar, roadside DJs. That one they said they could just close them totally, roadside DJ, because now only for Cameroon here way that nonsense the over happen. Roadside DJ them. Now when they close them, when they don't close them, Cameroonian they get their music maybe from YouTube. Una don't mind that story where they talk say YouTube go up, YouTube come down. If you be lover for listening to radio and television, you watch television. You want twin today, you see one particular music. You don't like and you master this time. You want thing again tomorrow, the same thing they listen. Trust me, you will love that music. From there will be competition inside the nation. There will be serious competition. Any man want me music pass for radio, me music pass for television. And that time, the radio people then too, and the television people then too, and the DJs then too for club. They do they know what they play any kind of music. So competition go there for the picking them way. Any man go and sing well. Because he know say, if he be say he no sing well, the music no go pass on television. The music no go pass on radio. From there, the people they grow, they believe, and they know their song. They be used to the thing. They be used to the thing. Trust me. If your people then for your quarter, They be convinced about you. They like you. See, you go come up for that quarter as you step your leg for outside, you be celebrity. The greatest publicity, the greatest marketing strategy, no be now for you for go take your music, put them for outside. For say you want send them for the country, you want put them for online. Trust me. That one no be now no marketing strategy. The greatest marketing strategy now your people. Now then they go take your vibes, go outside. If Cameroon, if we content the turn today, Cameroonian the way they come out for this country, they go for outside. As they want shoot up for their corner, they play na only Cameroon music. People go hear them, they go say, hey. From there, if you visit them for inside their snack, you hear na only that music. You come any day, you hear na only that music. You don't get no choice. You two go start repeat them. You two go start repeat them. You go be forced for start repeat them. If you come today for my house, na the same music. You come today, na the same music. You no go get choice. I want you to understand, say, one, Cameroon will get 90% unstable networking system. Cameroon will still get now limited service for internet. Do you know that? Cameroon will get now limited service for internet. When you put data for 1 month, MTN they restrict you. You go use now only 1 gigabyte for 1 day. And you and me know say if you put credit for 1,000, data for 1,000, highest, you go listen now to just 5-minute song. The data for 1,000 don't finish. You and me know say inside Cameroon population, now at least only 20% they be stable for social media and they be stable for internet. Where inside that 20%, 15 day for diaspora. And the 5% where they did back home, now at least just 1% they did constant for social media. 95% Cameroonian don't operate social media 24/7. Now, why that way? Even if you see their celebrity, the way that they can online, can do live show, highest na 30 minutes, they don't cut off. Data no dey. The data be unstable. Are they also live now because are they now for outside country? If now for Cameroon, una know very well say the network for don't cut not 1-2 times. Una know very well. So the people where they bring music for Cameroon, now they DJ them, the radio people and the television people, they all this cable line people. Those are the people where they bring the foreign influence. If the government put a restriction to those people and follow it very well, trust me, our culture will come back. I want to check something. I give you statistics. I want to study. If you go for diaspora, if you meet up Igbo people, as small as they are, as old as they are, they go chakara Igbo country talk. You meet up Yoruba, they go chakara Yoruba country talk. You meet up Hausa, they go chakara Hausa country talk. You go for Cameroon, you meet up Bamileke, they for outside, they go chakara Bamileke country talk. You meet up Ewondo, they go chakara Ewondo country talk. You meet up Douala, they go chakara Douala country talk. But I swear, say, you back with the person, you salo back with again for as I go respond to you for English. He go respond to you for English. You meet up Bamenda girl or Bamenda boy for outside, you want talk country talk, he go respond to you for English. Bayangi girl go come out for Cameroon. He go for outside only 1 month after you call me for talk country talk. He answer you now for English. Now wish they don't spoil it. Go only for Boya. You go see back where the guy where the bunny it grow for inside Boya. You talk country talk for you. It go back and back for you for English. It is shame. It is shame. It is shame for Turkey tribe. No be na witchcraft say Bakweri man or Bakweri woman or Bakweri girl or Bakweri boy go ask question say Tata King the sing waiting. Don't be witchcraft. Bakweri boy or Bakweri girl, Bakweri man or Bakweri woman go ask question say Tata King Bakweri artist king the sing waiting. No be wish. No be witchcraft say Bakweri bayangi man or bayangi woman, bayangi boy or bayangi girl go ask question say Bateniko the sing waiting. No be witchcraft. No be witchcraft say Bamingi woman or Bamingi man, Bamingi boy or Bamingi girl go ask question say Amumba Echi Echondong the sing waiting. My people, there is the need. Every country when I don't see them today, go for Ethiopia. See, go for Ethiopia. When you land for Ethiopia, they play you Ethiopian music. You go cry. You go ask yourself, say, now wait till the people they play and so they can't see the way they shout, the vibes to it. Because they have lived with it. They don't grow with them. They be slowed down foreign influence. So that their own go get competition inside. As their own get competition inside, that's why youths they be inspired for play more and more. We don't need no collabo. We man no fuluna. All these people, then the artists, the way that they come, so they talk this rubbish. They based on theory. They have not seen the practical. They have never ever studied these things. They don't know nothing. You get? Stanley Eno don't do collabo for Nigeria back to back. Who say it? Who say miss the play? Una tell me una true. Una wanna dey for diaspora. How many times una dey go for nightclub? I mean say for foreign different nightclub then different one them. How many times una dey go there una see Stanley Eno? How many times una dey hear the song they play for inside Nigeria? Charlotte the Panda don't do collabo with Yemi Alade. Una tell me through the last day when I be hear the song they play for inside Nigeria. Petit Pays don't sing one full album. They don't need no collabo. Una no mind that thing. Collabo is good. I know the talk say collabo na bad thing. I know the talk say collabo to collaborate with foreign artists is a bad thing. It's a good thing. But trust me, there is nothing global. There is nothing diplomatic. There is nothing bad in us making our own first. Even Davido become for Cameroon. Davido tell una say, put Cameroon on the map, yo. Put Cameroon on the map, yo. Support your own first. Davido told us that. Why no be